A friend who is always close to your heart, who is always known as your savior, can also be your Satan. I'm talking about this person. You might have heard cases where people lost their life just because the seat belt got stuck. Recently in Kerala, a man lost his life because his car caught fire. But that was not the actual reason for his death. He couldn't get out of the car because his seat belt got stuck. So today in this video, let's discuss how to get out of such situations. In this situation, never get panicked. You have a lever below your seat, pull that and get back as much as possible. And towards here, you have another lever and lay down as much as possible. Then slowly pull this seat belt this way and over here. Put both your legs out. So I'm requesting you guys, please share this because one share can save one life.